Hey there, my pastured poultry friends. Doc Pierce here. And when I first started getting into the idea of raising some pastured poultry, one of the questions I had was how big of a freezer do I need? And I couldn't really find a great answer. So I thought I'd post this quick video on this is a 7 cubic foot chest freezer, and it has 55 4 to 6 pound pasture raised Cornish cross hens. And that's about how full. I could probably get another four, maybe five in there too. So if anybody's thinking of buying a freezer and they need to know how many chickens they can put in it, hope this helps. Anyways, much love and many blessings to all. Doc Pierce out.